This beginner-friendly project will teach you how to turn real shells into a pair of solid silver earrings with handmade earring hook wires. No soldering required. If you're drawn to the beauty of the ocean, you'll love creating these delicate shell earrings that capture every intricate detail of nature. Through this start-to-finish beginner project, we'll transform a real shell into a wearable keepsake using only silver clay and silver wire, making it the perfect introduction to jewellery making without the need for soldering equipment. In this step-by-step online project, you'll use silver clay to create solid silver replicas of your shell, as well as learning how to make your own elegant earring hook wires by hand. Everything you need to know is covered, from moulding your shell and working with silver clay, to shaping professional-looking earring wires that are comfortable and secure. You'll learn all about working with silver clay, including torch or kiln firing options. This is a no-solder project, so it's ideal if you're just starting out or prefer working with silver clay techniques. This project is broken down into easy-to-digest video lessons and bonus content. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, and a full tools and materials list with supplier links, so you can buy anything you might not already have. And finally, I'm here to support you along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.